This is our finished product, ice white mocha cold flavored coffee. We will try to test this one. As usual, I am a quality controller of my finished product, ice white mocha cold flavored coffee. Number one, if you follow the procedure, the proper procedure, the proper guidelines of all flavor, so the taste is good. Hi vlog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's videos guys, we will proceed to another flavor of ice cold flavored coffee. That's what we call white mocha. Ice white mocha guys is different kind of flavor also. So for today's vlog, we will make an actual procedure again of this kind of flavor, so that you will know also how to prepare this preparation of this mocha. So guys, first open our wing scale. This wing scale open. See, we already opened this one. And then take this mixing cup. Mixing this, what we call a mixing cup. So put like this, then make it re-zero first, as usual, re-zero our wing scale. Then for the flavor, this is our flavor white mocha. We will drop in a mixing cup of 30 grams. We will drop 30 grams. We already re-zero this wing scale guys, so we need to drop this one 30 grams. 30 grams. Actually there is a prepare already here, but we need this one. This is white mocha. 30 grams of mocha. This is flavor of ice white mocha. 30 grams. Oops. That's it guys. So 30 grams of white mocha sauce flavor. Exactly 30 grams. So to re-zero this one. We already finished 30 grams. So next, we need to take ice, sugar first. Sugar. In sugar, 2 tablespoons only. That's a proper procedure. 2 tablespoons. Then we need more milk. We need milk 150 grams. Full fat or low fat, it's okay guys, no problem. It's only milk. So the customer request you full fat, no problem. We have a full fat, we have low fat. So this time I put low fat. So we need to put re-zero first. We need to put 150 grams of milk. 150 grams of milk. That's it guys. This is 150 grams of milk. This is 150 grams of milk. So this time we already finished the sugar, the white sauce flavor, and the milk. So next is espresso. We need to make an espresso double shot. First re-zero this one. double shot. This is what you call double shot. As you can see guys, one shot, this is one shot, this is double shot. So we have here one shot, only one. This is single shot, what we call single shot. This is double shot. Now we're going to take double shot. Fix it, then extract. We need to extract this one so that we have one espresso. Extract, then espresso guys, double shot. We need to put this one. We need to put this one in. This is espresso. So we put this one in a mixing cup here. So put here mixing cup. Okay, the flavor is already here. The espresso, the milk, the sugar, the white sauce, the mocha white sauce is already. So we need to our next is we need to take 6 to 7 pieces of ice. You need to take 6 to 7 pieces of ice. This is a procedure, or 80 grams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it guys. 7. After that one, we need to, our next procedure is we need to shake it. We need to shake, we need to mix. We need to mix our all flavor. We need to mix our all flavor so that this one is mixed with. Hold here in the upper and in the down. So do like this. As usual, we need to mix it 1 minute. See? 1 minute mixing is enough so that the flavor is mixed really. That's all guys, our mixing 1 minute. After that one, we need to taste. We need to try this one. Taste before you put in a glass. Number one.
Suka.
Sugar? Where's sugar?
Siya.
So guys, the taste is delicious. See? Number one. If you follow the procedure, the guidelines of all flavor, so the taste is good. The taste is number one. So we need to make a proper procedure so that our white ice mocha is good taste. See, this is nice. Now we transfer this one into the glass. The glass guys, this one. First, we need to design make it designed like this. See, this is white mocha. So as you can see, there is design here, so that the customer will attract also. The customer will attract also to our product. This is finished product now. We need to transfer it in the glass. First, we need to take three pieces of. This is 3 pieces of ice. 1, 2, 3. The next procedure, we need to transfer this one into the finished products. This glass. This is our finished product now. Transfer. That's it, guys. That's it. That's all our topic for today. This is a white ice mocha. So thank you guys for all watching.